Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to speak about Angelo Primo. This wine is really important for us. That's why we dedicated it to the founder of our winery, Nonno Angelo. He was the grandfather of the actual owner of the winery. This wine comes from our vineyard of Nero di Troia, and we harvest this grape during the first 10 days of October. It means that with this grape we finish our harvest period. The grapes, once they arrived to the winery, they are crushed and macerated for 15 days in stainless steel vats to control the temperature of 27 degrees. After this, the wine is aged in barrique for 12 months. Let's try it. As we can see, the color is ruby red with some purple reflection. The nose is intense, full, with ripe red fruits and tertiary hints like coffee and cacao. On the palate is full, good structure and really nice acidity. It is smooth with a little bit of sapidity and really fruity. The tannins that we can find it are really typical of the grape. In the end, this wine is really elegant and well balanced. In my opinion, it's a really well made Nero di Troia. Cheers!